Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel and to this walkthrough of this album that I designed for Country Craft Creations using their exclusive paper collection called Adventures in Magic, which is a Harry Potter themed paper. I had a lot of fun creating this and I'm excited to share it with you. So this is the walkthrough. It is a 9x9 album, pretty good size, has a yes, 2.5-inch spine, 9x9 album. Made in the lay flat method designed by Tamara of Country Craft Creations. It has 4-page sets, but lots of places for photos. I think you're going to like it. It's a lot of fun. It's got several pop-up elements in it. And yes, I do have the tutorial here on my channel, so be sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified if this is something you want to make. If you don't want to make it do not want to make it as a magic type album, well then you can just use any paper collection of your choice. That's perfectly fine. This is a free tutorial series. I will have it in a playlist with all the videos easy for you to find, and at the end of each video I'll try to link to the next one so that you can work on it as you wish. So let's take a quick look at this one. Uh, on the front I did some fussy cutting and some layering. Dumbledore here is lifted up a little bit on foam tape, as well as this column, this arch here, and the two sayings which are from the movie or from the book, A Magic Beyond All We Do Here, and then the word always. This is a cluster that I created. I show you in the video, or tell you in the video how I created it. Not that I actually show you, but I do show you putting all these elements on. So I love how it turned out. I used the No Shed glitter, which is awesome, that you can get at Country Craft Creations. And this again is their exclusive paper collection. I did use the 8x8 and the 12x12 to create this album. This is called Adventures in Magic, and it's an exclusive Country Craft Creations paper collection. So here is the spine, which is a continuation of this front image, and then the back I used the chessboard. Love how it turned out. So let's take a peek inside. So when it opens up, we have over here what I'm calling a quad pop-up. This is magnet piece here. You can put a photo on the back, and then all these open in a pinwheel design like this. Got all the colors of the different houses, and then I have photo mats that I put inside with the angled corners. That just closes up like that, and the magnet holds that in place. I love how that turned out. This one is held closed with a ribbon. This has another saying. This one came with the collection, It Does Not Do to Dwell on Dreams and Forget to Live. So here's the car and the tree, and then we have this flipping back. We have photo mats here tucked behind the train. These are all tags and cut aparts from the collection. Here's a mat here. This is an accordion type page. So we have this behind the Phoenix. And again, on this side, I left these plain. I trimmed them with this scraps of paper, and I have the car here as well. So this just all folds up. That is the car on the front. Don't know why I said as well. And when you open it up, you do have a pocket here of the same scene. This was done with the 8x8 paper. So I made a booklet here. The snake, the Slytherin, and then the colors here. These were made from my scraps. And so you can still put more in that pocket. So this closes up like that and just tie it shut. I'm going to tie it shut to make sure that it all stays together as I'm flipping through this with you. So inside each of the four, we do have a photo mat opportunity here. This is a large size. It's got the pattern papers on one side, which are the 8x8 prints. And then the back is left for your photos. I'm not going to pull them all out totally, but anyway, they slide in and stick out just a little bit, and they do have the angle punch on the right side to kind of fit with the theme, and then the circle punch or the curved punch, corner punch, rounded on the other side. Okay, this page here, we have this booklet here, and I punched out some of the glitter paper in the little circles to kind of add that trim there, tuck spot there, And then we have a fun pop-up element like this. I show you how in the tutorial how to make that. Beautiful yellow color, complements everything here in the book. Got some tuck spots here. You can either tuck them in or you can just actually glue them down, but I love how that pops up like that. So this page here, we have another tie closure, and I just stuck a mat in here. Of course, when you're doing your photos, you can glue this down if you wanted to. It's just this way for until photos go in it. A gray photo mat here, and this opens this way. Another photo mat. Do this tuck spot here with the tree. This opens up, and this is the map. We've got Hogwarts School of Witchcraft map. Here's the train. You'll see Hogsmeade Village, the actual castles, the school. And so I made these little pieces where you can move them around if you wanted to with the magnets like that. Just kind of a fun, different element. Or if you just wanted to leave it for your pictures, you could do that as well. So I thought that was really fun. We'll just close this back up and tie it together. And again, this one has the photo mat inside. This page is with the chessboard. We have a tuck spot here. This just opens up, held closed with the magnet, and it has a pop-up for double photos like this. And then you can tuck something under here if you wanted to, or glue photos down. So that's another fun element, and I did leave these open as well so that you could put your photos up underneath it and attach them down. So that's a lot of fun, and that's held closed with a magnet. This one is a slider closure with the spider, and you just slide it over, lift it up, and then open all of this. And it has a pocket here on the inside. I put some of the extra cut apart cards, journaling cards, some mats that I made just out of what's left over in your collection and your cardstock. You'll have a lot of cardstock left over. So just close this up, slide that in like that. And there is the photo mat in there. This one comes down like this and opens up like this for this type of pop-up. Photos can go on both sides, and then this flips up, held with a magnet. Use the pretty blue color with that. So this just folds down. Let me show you that again. So when you pull it down with this magnetic closure, you just lift the flap and it all pops out like that. Can you see there? So lots of fun places for photos. This one is what I call a wing closure. It's not magnetic. It just lifts up and comes off. So see, it has the wings there for you to add to the flaps, and I'll show you how to do that. This is a gatefold. It opens up, and we have the pop-ups like this where the photos are standing up. Photos can go here, and of course here on the elements that lift up like that. And to put this back on, you just fit it on to each side in between those wings and just close it down. And then there's the pull out there. This side has a pocket with lots of extra mats and things in it, just left over from doing the album. And then this one slides out that holds it all together, and this flaps down, and so there's lots of room for photos in there. So again, this just slides into these pockets here like that, and then you can just tuck all these different little elements in here, extras and photos that you might have. And then on the back cover, we have kind of a lifted up. It's not a pop-up, it's just made so that it looks lifted up. It's a spell book. And then if you grab this little tab down here and pull, we have the push and pull waterfall. Okay, so that is my magic album using the Adventures in Magic paper collection by Country Craft Creations. Again, I will have a tutorial series. This does take a little bit of time to make, so I didn't want the videos to be super long. So watch for part 1, and then I don't know how many parts there will be. As I edit the video, I will add them in and put the link at the end, and then I will put them all in a playlist where you can easily find them and create this fun album. Thanks everybody for watching. I do hope you check out Country Craft Creations online store. Um, the link is in my description down below, as well as a link to the products that I use from the store. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video or the album, and subscribe and click on the bell so you know when my next videos are ready. Thanks everybody. Have fun crafting. Bye-bye.